A big shout out from Tennessee, Tennessee Mom here. I am doing my first ever Dollar Tree haul. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I found a lot of good finds. First of all, I found these training pads at Dollar Tree. 5 pads to a package. Now, normally they have the 4. I found the 5. 10 packages with 5 in them for $1.25 is $12.50 before tax. But it's cheaper to get these than it is to buy the 50 pack at Walmart. So I thought that was an excellent buy. I found some of the Pro Player. They're nice socks, really nice. There's 2 pairs in there for $1.25. Then I also found these Juncture socks, and I think these are really well made. And they are 3 to a package, and I got 2 packages of those. Oh, that's the Pro Play again. I found this nifty little storage container. I like it because the lid comes off, but you can put some in. I'm thinking about using this in my bathroom, maybe for my razor and different things. I've got to organize several places, so but you can use this in multiple places. I'm trying to find things that you can use in multiple places for that reason, because like I said, I have several places that I am trying to organize. I found this macrame. I'm sure I'm pronouncing that wrong, but the macrame, I don't know, cord. But I thought it was really nice. They had it in a couple different colors, but I thought this was really neat. All right. So, move that out of the way. Then I found, of course, I got me some super glue. And I did find these multi-purpose cleaning cloths. And so I thought that would make, a good cleaning rag. I found these at Dollar Tree. But what I like about these is they expand. Oh, did I tear it up? Nope, it goes back in. Okay, we're good. But they expand. Just don't expand it out like I did. I didn't tear it up, so that's good. But it just slides back in like that. But I do like that it expands. That's neat. It's just they do have a mattress cover. I could not believe that. It fits most mattresses. A 60-inch by 80-inch mattress. So it's got deep pockets. It's for a size, queen size bed. So I thought that was neat. Of course, they have a really good deal on sponges. They have the 6-pack here. I like these. I'm going to be doing a hack, a DIY hack with these, but they had the wooden rulers. I really like these. And then I thought this is for your drawer. It's a drawer organizer for socks, underwear. You could even do t-shirts in there, whatever you want in there. I thought that was really neat. Then I found this. It goes over the door hanger. And I just think that is so neat and very handy. I got some more sponges. This is a 4-pack. I took one out. I found this wall block here. It's for your outlets. It gives you 6 outlets versus just 2. Another one of those containers. these to the side here. I got a lot of stuff, as you can see. I stopped buying batteries at Walmart because I can get these. They last pretty well for what I need. You can get the AA, the AAA, whatever kind. Watch batteries. Check at Dollar Tree before you go to Walmart. They're very expensive at Walmart. I found these containers. I got several. I've got a plan DIY with these, but what I like about them is they slide. If I can do it. They slide together like that. I say that. There we go. And they slide in together. So I thought that was pretty neat. And they have the foam hair colors here. I bought several things. I'm gonna do some DIYs with most of these, but I got some baking soda that they had there. I have a cleaning hack for that. Then I just got some more of the rollers that they had. And I love their spices that you can get there. You can find some different spices that you don't normally find. I got these sunglass clips to go above the visor for your sunglasses. They have multiple colors. Look, they got pink, my favorite color. I thought they were so neat. You know, I've got one of those interchangeable brooms, the handles that just goes in here. But I thought this was really neat. They had some really neat accessories for those handles. And I like that because it is so versatile. And I've said this before, but I have been trying to find stuff that I can use for multiple uses. Alright, so let me put this down here out of the way. I found these clips, these jumbo plastic clips. They're, clothespins, but I thought they would be great for when you make DIYs. If you have wood that you have to dry, I thought they would make a great clip for that. I found some of these makeup brushes. I think they are really neat. Got some more clothespins. I found this brush here at the Dollar Tree. It's for your pots and pans, but I thought that would be good to use in the bathroom. Maybe to clean around the toilet. I just think that would be so useful. And I found some of the Reach. This is name brand for your toothbrush covers. I found some of the shaving cream. And I got some of these smaller containers like this where they expand. I'll try not to tear this one up. But look at that. Isn't that neat? For the $1.25, I don't think you can beat that. Just amazing. I got so many things. I'm overwhelmed with all the stuff I have here. Trying to clear out some of this. Okay. I did find this, and like I said, I am trying to organize up my place. I'm going to do some videos on that. I just haven't got around to it yet. But this step shelf, I think this is neat. You can use it for spices. I'm sure there's other uses for it. So I'm going to play around with that. I got some more of these book bins. I've done a video on that. But I found these. They're sink mats is what they are. But I've got another DIY, a couple that I'm going to do with these. at a later date. But I found this at the Dollar Tree, and I thought it was so neat. For a pump lid, you can just put this on a mason jar and have have a pump. You don't have to cut it off the hole. Saves time. I'm all about saving time. I mean, I like hacks like the next person. If I can save 20 minutes, I'm going to. Now, this is all name brand stuff. This is Spick and Span, excuse me. It is a 1 pint bottle here. Now, this scrub free for your bathroom is glass cleaner. This stuff is really good. It is super good. This Spick and Span, look at that. Look at that size of that. It is a 1 pint and 12 ounces. This here is 10 full ounces. It's Brillo dish spray. I think it's supposed to be equivalent to the Dawn dish spray, so I got that to try it. I got some of this Lima Way for under the toilet rims, calcium buildup. But that is name brand stuff, and I thought that is a really good deal for $1.25. You cannot beat that. I got some more of those containers, and they have them in the gray and also the white. I found these also. They're by Essentials. What I like about them, they have the non-grip in the bottom of them. They're nice. And then they have the larger ones of those. So they have them in a couple different colors, so I thought it was really neat. And if you haven't used these, the cutting boards, the flexible cutting boards, they are great. You can use them for multiple things that go under your glue gun. You can use them to line your cabinets with, whatever. They have multiple uses, not just for cut food. And I'm sure you've seen this in another video I've done, but the vacuum storage bags, they are awesome. If you've not bought these, you need to get them. They are amazing. They come in a large size, and they have a lot of great uses, multiple uses. And the last thing I got one of these wire baskets. I love pink, and I'm not sure where I'm going to put this, but you can do many things with this. You can put, you can cut some of that, the flexible mat, and put it in the bottom of this, so nothing would fall through it. And you can put, use it in your cupboard and put stuff in it, or your office, or wherever. I just thought it was neat, really neat and sturdy. I really liked it. Alright, that is all of my haul. I know that was a lot. Tell me what you think. If you want to see more of these videos, let me know. Send me a comment. I love to hear from y'all, and I answer every one of my comments. I try not to let one go by, because I feel like if you take the time to ask me a question or give me a comment, whether I like it or not, I'm going to respond. And for the most part, I don't have a lot of hate emails, I guess you would call them, but I enjoy hearing from y'all. And so just let me know what you think of this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Share it. If you're not a member, please subscribe. I'd love to have you join my YouTube family. I really enjoy doing this, and I hope you enjoy my videos too. God bless you, and have a great evening. Goodbye.